came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
The opposition won Telangana, opposition won Bengal, opposition won Karnataka. The BJP didn't sit on the roads and cry, did you?
Point by point. Vivek ji, point by point. He said, first of all, the data is showing that people are losing trust in EVM. When Karnataka government survey said 2023, 78%.
I'm talking about pan-India.
I did not interrupt.
Pan-India.
Please, Vivek,
Not
Vivek,
Karnataka.
this is not fair. I heard you out. I waited for my turn. Please show the courtesy. 78% trust was there in 2023 on EVMs. It has gone to 83%. Karnataka is not part of India. But
I
please,
said pan-India. You're just talking about
please don't. I don't need.
Okay, he's picking up the numbers he wants to.
Karnataka
You
government का
can't
survey.
dictate to
Now
him.
let me complete. Then he said doubt है EVM पे. Supreme Court में 41 times the High Court and Supreme Court has said that ballot पे नहीं जा सकते. We have to stick to EVM. You can't blame EVM selectively. Supreme Court से ऊपर है कुछ. तीसरी बात, he said that EVM पे फिर भी doubt है. Tamil Nadu government is introducing EVM for local polls. Is there good EVM and bad EVM? Fourth point. ये कौन हमको चोर बोल रहा है? ये खानदानी चोर. ये खानदानी चोर जिन्होंने 1987 इलेक्शन रिग किया, जिन्होंने 1975 में कन्विक्ट हो गए इलेक्टोरल फ्रॉड के लिए, जो पहले ये बनने से पहले, नागरिक बनने से पहले वोटर लिस्ट में नाम आ गया, एंड फाइनली यू सेड 40 सीसीटीवी. मैम, बिहार के इलेक्शंस को 14 नवंबर को रिजल्ट आया चाचा नेहरू के बर्थडे पे, और कितना दिन 45 डेज हो गया, एक कंप्लेंट नहीं डाली.
नहीं. आप लोग ने इन्होंने तो कानून पास किया,
डाली बिहार में,
इम्यूनिटी दी सीआई को.
Well, the point is that
कोर्ट को ओवररूल किया.
45 days was the time given when there were EVMs and when there were no EVMs. No complaint goes in, and every time, Vivek, silence. You 1 minute, guys. Let's
चीफ
1 minute.
जस्टिस को क्यों हटाया गया इलेक्शन कमीशन को चूज करने के लिए?
मैम, ये पूरी बात अमित शाह
इम्यूनिटी क्यों दी गई?
Again, Vivek silence. Vivek silence. The debate has moved on from that point. Why do you bring up the same point which has been debated to death in every single debate? Why are we not talking about the fact that Tamil Nadu will use EVM in local body polls, but Karnataka will go to paper ballot? And wherever there have been paper ballots, also the Congress party has lost. Vivek Srivastava, what is the sense, what is the logic in all of this? Can you please explain? Because the ex-Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna had said, paper ballot, going back to paper ballot is regressive. Why don't you have faith in anything? Not the Supreme Court, not the Chief Justice, not the EVM, nobody.
Yes, you see, the observation made by the Chief Justice is not binding, and I do not think the Chief Justice is, he's an expert on this issue. Maybe it's an issue in which an expert of other people is needed. Expertise of other people is needed. Secondly, see, it's very clear. It is not the question of EVM versus, the paper ballots. It is the question of intentions. And if there is a fear factor, if the people feel there could be a conspiracy, if people feel that the EVMs could be manipulated, if the opposition feels that way, then why is the ruling party not trying to come out and challenge us and say, "आ जाओ भाई, हम तो बैलेट बॉक्स के लिए तैयार हैं. 2029 बैलेट पेपर पे होगा. हम तैयार हैं, हम जीतेंगे." आप बोलिए ना. But you don't say that because there is something fishy going on. If we say that something is wrong, do it. Now, if you're talking of Kerala, where Mr. Rahul Gandhi was congratulating his people, or you're talking of EVMs being introduced at the local level in Tamil Nadu, please understand the governments over there are trying to work hard to make sure that tampering doesn't take place. And Ishkaran could not answer the logic of Salin Dharnidharan when he clearly said, agar main 1 lakh se ek aadmi jeet raha hai Tamil Nadu mein DMK ka, agar EVMs nahi hote to 1.5 lakh se jeetta. So it's not about, it's about the margin of victory.
Let me answer.
And in today's world, when the elections are being won by a very small margin.
Let me answer.
Yeah, direct, absolutely.
Direct answer. Just
Salin Dharnidharan said it, and you need to clarify.
Direct answer.
Okay, Ishkaran, first direct answer. Shehzad coming in. Abhijit, I'm coming to you. Ishkaran.
Navika ji, the test is what is the electoral history. When somebody says I won with the biggest margin ever in history, तो उससे पहले तो पेपर बैलेट थे. तो उससे पहले आप 4 लाख से क्यों नहीं जीते कभी? अब ईवीएम में आप 1 लाख से जीते. सो हाउ कैन यू डिनाई इलेक्टोरल हिस्ट्री? अदरवाइज यू शुड हैव सेड मैं पहले 4 लाख से जीता था. इस बार ईवीएम के अंदर मैं 1 लाख से जीता क्योंकि ईवीएम फ्रॉड है. सो व्हेन यू योरसेल्फ डू नॉट नो द इलेक्टोरल हिस्ट्री, How are you
क्या
making
बात
that
कर रहे
argument?
हैं?
नहीं इस बार काम ज्यादा किया।
अजब आदमी है भाई। पहले तो 1 लाख वोट पाके लोग लोकसभा जीत जाते थे, अब 5 लाख वोट पाके हार जाते हैं।
कम्युनिस्ट को अप और डाउन के अंदर, इकोनॉमी के अंदर, वोटिंग के अंदर, मैथ्स के अंदर
एडवोकेट है क्या?
इफ यू आर गेटिंग द हाईएस्ट लेवल,